Hi guys, just a short video to demonstrate how well Astro-Physics mounts work with a copy of the SkyX. Here we go. I'm running the latest AP ASCOM driver, version 5.09.01, and away we go. Alright, I'm running an RC telescope on my mount with an image scale of 0.79 arcseconds per pixel, so a fairly demanding setup. I'm also running an SBIG STI autoguider. My main imaging cam is an Attic 414EX mono, and my filter wheel is a Starlight Express 7-position filter wheel, and I'm also running an Astrodon Monster MOAG. The first thing I show you is just the raw pointing of an Astro-Physics mount. And in the background, however, I did do a 150 point pointing model in SkyX, and that's basically worked out where my mount is sagging, where it's drooping, where there's flexure and funny things going on at different sides of the meridian, and not so much compensating for that as ProTrack would do in real time with corrections, almost like guide corrections every second, but it is correcting for it with a slew. And so what we'll probably see now, if we take a quick photo, is, let's bump that down. If we take a quick photo, we will see that the object will be very close to the middle of the frame, if not bang on, which is a good thing and shows that everything's working. Cool, so there you go. Is it smack bang in the middle? No, it's not. We can fix that. So let's right click and try closed loop slew, which is a really powerful feature in SkyX, and it basically takes an image, it analyzes that image or image links it using plate solving, and works out how far off the object is from the center of the chip. As you can see, it's off a bit. It's off to the left here. It then nudges the mount to bring that object, whether it's a star, a galaxy, a bit of nebula, whatever you're after, whatever you're looking to compose, it'll bump that smack bang in the middle. Just like that. Is it smack bang in the middle? Well, no. Look, it's close enough. I'm sure there's settings in there to go even further, but for me, that's definitely good enough. So, let's get rid of the remnants of the image link. Look, while I'm at it, you can see the sorts of data that are available to you under image link. It shows you the scale, it shows you the position angle, all sorts of great stuff. The full width half maximum. Let's get rid of that. So pointing to that side of the meridian, that's all good and well. You might be saying, you know, how does it point on the other side? Well, let's, using closed loop slew, go to the other side of the meridian to Akanar and see what can be done. I use most features in the SkyX except for ProTrack. You're welcome to read up on ProTrack. It's just not something that I'm using at this point in time. How does it work with Astro-Physics mounts? Well, I assume it works very well. I'm told that ProTrack is made for professional observatories. It works for all the Astro-Physics, with software BISC mounts. It's just not something I've found the need to use at this point in time. I use most of the tabs. Here in the SkyX, I use the autoguider tab, the filter wheel, of course the image acquisition, the camera tab. Anyway, so here we go. We've slewed to the other side of the meridian, to Akanar. It's taking a short exposure to work out where that object is in relation to the chip. That's pretty good for pointing on the other side of the meridian, if I may say so. It realizes it's off. It's now taking another photo after nudging the mount to just confirm that it's bang on, which it is. So there you go. That's a good result. what else can I show you? Look, probably the last thing I'll show you is, now I told you that I do not use ProTrack here, but I do use the modeling and the pointing models. And basically what I did here is I told the SkyX to generate 150 points across the sky, to image link those points, and to create a model to help my pointing to be even more accurate than it is natively. You can do that by going to automated calibration, and you can choose all sorts of stars, you know, crap loads. We're talking 500, 700 stars here. I chose a more reasonable, you know, around 150 for my calibration run the other night. So there you go, and that's basically what I used. They were all the data points. I then went into the model tab, clicked super model. It worked out where things are bending, what sorts of crazy stuff is happening, all the scientific stuff that I don't particularly understand. I then applied that model, and away we went. There is this polar alignment tab too, which is very helpful. It lets you know after doing a pointing run, pointing model, what your polar alignment looks like. And so for me, it looks like my azimuth is very good. I need to change it, as is my elevation. So it's pretty cool. That's it for now. I hope you've enjoyed that short video. And just to recap, SkyX in combination with an Astro-Physics mount is a wonderful combo, and I certainly recommend it. Thank you.